Yeah, just a little something. I'm gonna put my mask on before my live start. All right, hey Ava, gotta wait till my live. Oh, what's up? Hello everybody, this is Domino here. Okay, that's some folks over here. We don't know who they are. Oh, that must be on somebody else's side of the family. Okay. All right, so vlog with my mask on, doing social distancing, you know. Okay, so I'm at my cousin Journey's birthday party, you know. She done made 3 yesterday, so it's so let's go walk over here. There's now you on TV. Yeah, she don't like being on the show. She was on the show before. So anyway, it's a big baby sister's birthday. Here's the big sister.
I don't want to be on TV.
Yeah, she mean sometimes. All right. So anyway, Journey makes 3. Y'all seen Journey before. Where's the birthday girl? Easter Sunday. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, I'm gonna stop this live and I'll be right back.